Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Teaching subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, Zoology Lab. And now we will discuss for the qualitative test of the carbohydrate, fats and the proteins in the foodstuffs. Carbohydrates provide energy to cells in the body. Protein is the major functional and structural component of all the cells of the body. Fats and oils are the highest energy source, contain fatty acid, which is essential for health and not produced by the human body. The objective is to detect the presence of carbohydrate, fat, protein in the given foodstuff. Theory: the presence of carbohydrates, fats and proteins in any foodstuff is detected by performing the test for protein, fat and carbohydrates with the extract of foodstuff. Test for carbohydrates. Mole's test. You take the given sample of the food and add Mole's reagent and you find that purple or violet ring confirm the presence of the carbohydrates. Fehling test. Take the given sample, add Fehling reagent, then red precipitate confirm the presence of the carbohydrates. Third is the Benedict test. Given sample of the food, add the Benedict reagent, red precipitate confirm the presence of the carbohydrates. Then test for the proteins, biurate test. Take the given sample of the food and add aqueous copper sulfate, then violet coloration confirm the presence of the proteins. Xanthoprotein test. Given sample of the food plus nitric acid, then yellow color solution confirm the presence of the proteins. Ninhydrin test. Given sample of the food and then add pyridine solution of ninhydrin, then violet color confirm the presence of the protein. Then test for the oils or the fat. First is the solubility test. Given sample of the food plus chloroform or alcohol mixable with chloroform and immixable with water, the fat presence is confirmed. Translucent spot test. Given sample food plus rubbed between the fold of filter paper, presence of translucent spot, then the presence of fat is confirmed. So these are the tests for the carbohydrates, protein and the lipids, and the material what is required, that the Mole's reagent, Fehling reagent, Benedict reagent, copper sulfate solution, nitric acid, sodium nitrate, alcohol, chloroform, filter paper, test tube holder, water, bath, dropper, Bunsen burner. To test the presence of the carbohydrate, protein and fat, oil in the blood sample, first the extract of the given foodstuff should be prepared. Dry the given foodstuff in the mortar with a pestle or by boiling with minimum quantity of water, extracting with small quantity of organic solvent after grinding the foodstuff. So this is all about the procedures, a qualitative estimation of the carbohydrates, proteins and the fats into the food stuff. So what should be the precautions should be taken? Always use minimum quantity of reagent and freshly prepared one to test the sample food. Use dropper to take the reagent from the bottle. Use lab aprons and hand gloves during the experiment. Hope you understand the procedure for the qualitative estimation of the carbohydrates, protein and the lipids. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।